Hi there and welcome again, and here we are with a new section. And at this point you know how to use things like loops and functions and conditionals, and even you know how to do file handling with Python. And in this section we're gonna have some lectures where you will learn how to perform some more advanced functionalities that will really help you understand and do things in certain scenarios when programming with Python. And these are things like understanding and using external libraries, and handling dates and times in Python, and commenting and documenting your code. So quite a few interesting things, and after that you'll be ready to build the first real-world program along with me. Let's go quickly through this section and I'll talk to you in the next lecture.